Yo, what is good, ladies and gentlemen? It is your favorite guy, Mr. Brown Guy. And I'll tell you one thing. If I had one chance, one opportunity, no, it's a script on 8 Mile, I know. If I had a low amount of time to do a full body workout, and I've done everything, I want to pump up my shoulders, I would do this exercise or some kind of variation when it comes to the shoulder press. So this machine is a special machine. I have a special bond to it because it's the hardest machine that I know when it comes to shoulder presses, and you need to focus on doing shit that you aren't good at. So this is why I'm doing a shoulder press in this machine. You can do it in many different machines. You can also do a dumbbell press if you don't have a machine. I'll recommend you doing a dumbbell press. It stimulates a bigger variation of muscles when it comes to your delts, to your shoulders, the front, the side, and the back, of course. But today, I'll focus on doing this. So let's do it, all right? Going all the way up, all the way down, slowly. Rest it for 1 second, going all the way up, and all the way down. Rest it for 1 second, going all the way up, and all the way down. Resting for 1 second. By resting, you're relaxing your muscle fibers. And we need to go up again. You're activating it with a load on it. So you'll tear some muscle fibers. This is fucking hard. But again, as I said earlier, you need to do the shit you're not proud of. Let's do 2 more. All the way up, all the way down, rested. All the way up, all the way down. Shit. Now the bad thing about doing these exercises, when you load up on doing everything to failure almost, you'll feel like a complete piece of shit because it's hard as fuck. But you need to do the shit you aren't proud of, and you need to do those things that you aren't good at. Otherwise, you won't be good at anything. You'll only be good at those things that you're proud of, and that's not enough on your portfolio. Life is basically just too short to do things that you're only good at. So take up this challenge, do a dead stop at every fucking repetition. Whew. Now, of course, if you like it, please like. If you want to follow, please subscribe. And show some love, all right? Spread it. Let your friends and family know that you're serious about it. You don't need to follow me. Just make sure that you take these pieces of advice from certain people. There's not a lot of people that want the best for you. I've been there, trust me. So, of course, I'll see you soon. Peace and love, all right? Hey.